This is the Bible scripture for today, Matthew 6, verse 34. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about its own things. Sufficient for the day is its own trouble.
Perfect.
Be reminded that God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. Welcome if you are new or returning to my channel. My name is Erica. I'm a Christian content creator. On my channel, I like to focus on vlogs, crochet hair videos, and inspirational content. If that's something that you guys like, subscribe. Be a part of my YouTube family. So in this video, by the title, as you guys can see, this is another crochet hair video. This is a natural look crochet hair video. This is more of the textured hair. Usually I try to go for hair that has like low manipulation where I don't have to do much to the hair. However, this type of hair that I used, you're going to see the process, how I installed it, what hair it was, how I got it to look like this. You guys want to know how I achieved this look? Keep watching.
If you watched my last video, you understand what this is. This is my air quote lazy girl crocheting method. So this is 1 week old braids and I did not redo them. That's right, I did not. So you can see all that growth. But hey, it's a perfect foundation for this hair that I will be using because the hair is more textured, right? And so I thought it was perfect because it gave it a little bit more naturalness. Now the hair I will be using is the Jamaican Twist. It's 3 times pre-stretched. So there are 3 bundles within that one pack. I did not count each individual strands of the hair, but this technique that I'm doing, it makes it so much easier because I have tried textured hair before and honestly I don't think I did this method. But what I'm doing is I'm getting that individual piece. I did not cut it. I'm just detangling it and I'm brushing it out, and I separated that hair between 3 to 4 times so that one strand of hair, when I brushed it out, it was able to give me 3 individual pieces. And now I'm just installing the hair, just the regular technique here at the back. And honestly, this was so easy to work with. I didn't have to even knot the hair too many times. I think I would have gotten away with knotting the hair once because of the texture of the hair, but just to make it a little bit more secure, I opted in to knot in that hair 2 times. Now, for the other two bundles, I did not cut them, but for the last one, I had to just because of fear I might have run out of hair. Now, if you know any of my crocheting techniques or any of the techniques I try, you know one of them is to separate the hair a lot, and I do. This is what the hair looks like fully installed, of course, and up close. This technique that I learned, I'm not sure if you guys know about it, but what I'm doing, I'm trying to explain as best as I can, is I put the latch hook underneath the closest cornrow, and then I'm getting some of the crocheting hair from the other braid, borrowing it and bringing it to the other one underneath, so that way it could give it that unified look so that you don't see those parting from the braids. Now look at that. This is a heat-in brush or heat-in comb that I actually picked up from a thrift store, and now I have the set-in on $350, I believe, $390. If you guys are going to try this, then, you know, I suggest you kind of test out portions of the hair just so that you're not frying it, because of course it is synthetic hair, okay? You guys know this. And I like how this turned out. Honestly, this has reminded me of when I like brush my hair, like I wash it, blow dry it, and I run this same heat comb over it. It's so natural looking. Look at this. So this is what it looks like once I completed, and see what I mean about the naturalness. Oh, I love it.
The hair that I did use is the 3x pre-stretched Jamaican Twist, and it is 36 inch. It says that it's by Expression. It says it's easy and fast styling, and it's good for crochet braids. So it's not only for twist or what have you. Kind of like the Marley braid, it mimics my natural texture so well that I was tempted, maybe if I use it again or if I try this method. I think I'm gonna do a series called Fake It Till You Make It and just try just natural hair. So like natural texture hair, like kinky texture hair, so closer to mine, instead of like the free tress and all the other stuff that I've tried. And yes, as much as I like the colors, I think I could try colors as well in the kinkier texture, because my hair is getting longer, right? So I'd like to know how to style my own hair as well with a little bit of like extra length, because what am I gonna do? The longer my hair gets, I'm sure it's gonna be a little bit more tricky to, you know, crochet in hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna get used to the idea of having longer natural texture hair. Oh my gosh, I can't get over how nice this looks. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stop smiling. Okay, so for the hair, I did go ahead and I used one pack. It comes with 3 bundles, right? However, one thing, if you're gonna try this hair, if you have already tried this hair, you know, or like this, then you know that the hair does shed a lot, because of course it's fiber, right? And you're combing out that texture, whatever. So I did find that the hair shed a lot. I believe I could have gotten away with not cutting the hair, but on third bundle, I realized that, you know what, the possibility exists that I might run out of hair, and I only had the one pack on hand. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna cut it. And it was closer to the front part anyways, and I like that I did cut it, because it kind of added to the layering look that I was going for. It worked out perfectly. So the back is a little bit longer, and as it comes toward the front, it's a little bit shorter with those layers, right, as you can see. So I really like this hair, honestly. I think this kind of hair, like I said, moving forward, God willing, will be my go-to hair. Honest to goodness, like you can't tell me it's not my real hair. So I did have in a previous hairstyle, and then I went and took those out, and then I installed this. I was trying to go for that freshly blown out look, and I didn't want to apply too much heat to the hair. So it's the next day. Here are the results after waking up the next day. Not bad. Not bad at all. There you go. Not bad. I'm fully excited. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like it, please hit that thumbs up button, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I appreciate all your support. If you like seeing videos like these, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube channel. All right, thank you so much for watching. God willing, you'll stop by for my next video. Until then, bye.